Alright, I had problem number 65 on page 68. Simply says to solve the inequality, 2x squared minus 2x minus 1 is greater than 0. So I decided to do it algebraically with the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That turns out to be 2 plus or minus negative 2 squared, or the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 1 all over 2 times 2, which is 2 plus or minus square root of 12 over 4. And then you break that down a little bit further. The square root of 12 is 3.464, and then you'd have to add that to 2 over 4 and subtract it from 2 over 4. Break it down a little bit more, you get 5.464 over 4, and you get negative 1.464 over 4. And then once you get those, put them into a handy-dandy little graph. Those numbers, negative 0.366 and 1.366, which is what the aforementioned numbers below equal. Those are your x-intercepts, which you look at your equation and you figure you need everything greater than those numbers. And then when you draw your graph, you know that it's going to be a positive upward facing parabola because the a value, 2 in this case, is positive. So I squiggled everything above the x-intercepts, and then all I have to do is put that into the proper form. X can be from negative infinity to negative 0.366 and 1.366 to positive infinity. All of those values will get you a number that is greater than 0.